You know, Sunshine Aloha. Yeah, soldiers. Repping. I grew up with Muslim friends. Seems like my plant is dying. They're Nepo babies. Guys, seems like my plant is dying. Some of it, can you see this part? But I'll have to order for sand. My dad said it's like the soil is not sufficient because I've been watching it well and it's been raining, so you have to get like more soil to maybe top it up. I'll reach out to the plant vendor I got it from. Yeah, I'm back, guys. Outside is so hot. I just dropped the order with the delivery guy, and outside is too hot. Jesus Christ, if you go outside you will melt. Anyway, talking about outside and the sun, I changed some of my skincare products. I didn't want to buy a new body cream because I'm a Nivea girly. I think I'm still going to run back to Nivea, but like I told my skincare plug to get me to send bath gel, shower gel. For some reason, I don't know why he read body cream and then he sent me this body cream. This is the E16 Pro Lightening Vitamin C Ultra Lightening and Moisturizing Body Milk. When he got it, I was so pissed. When he sent it, I was super pissed because he delivered this from a distance. His store is in town, but it's a distance, right? And for delivery fee, I'm like, I'm not going to send this thing back again, right? And when will I have the time to go there to now exchange and everything? So I just told him that, I know what, I'm really annoyed with you, but I'm just going to accept it. Even before he sent it, he said that it's a very good product. So me, I was talking about the shower gel. Like, I didn't even look at it to say, oh, it's a body cream or anything, because when he snapped it, this is how she snapped it. So I just saw Pro Lightening Vitamin C kini. I'm like, all this thing again. I just want a good bath gel, that will help you hyperpigmentation. So yeah, he now sent this one. So I don't know, it's not bad. According to him, he said that it's very, very good and he doesn't sell fake products. So I also got the Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. I've always wanted to buy this sugar scrub, this body scrub. The one I'm using is salt scrub. It's a salt scrub, and the other one is by Cosmo, but I don't like the texture, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to stop using it. So this Alpha Arbutin is really nice. I used it today and I feel so good. I'm also going to change not really change. I'm going to get Kojic Sand. I've been using Kojic Sand for a while now, like for years. I don't know why I haven't stopped. So if I knew, I've told him to send me that one instead of even shower gel, honestly speaking. Kojic Sand helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It's actually good for the skin. That's for your body. There was a time I was using Kojic Sand on my face. It helped with dark spots and, to reduce breakouts, but it's not something you use every day because that soap is an exfoliating soap. So it's good for your skin, like for your body. So I'm going to get that instead of getting a shower gel, and maybe just continue with the shower gel I already have in my bathroom. So that's it for skincare. And yeah, guys, I have started reading. Not like I don't used to read. Let me tell you, I used to write and read a lot when I was much younger, like primary school to like my JSS3. I loved reading. I loved writing. In my JSS1, if I'm primary school, I used to write stories. And even show my mom, my teacher, then my English teacher, Mrs. Ohakwe. Shout out to you. I don't know where she is right now, but like, I wish she continued tutoring us in English till senior secondary school, right? She stopped teaching us in junior secondary school, and then we switched. I think we switched English teachers like 3 or 4 times. my whole time in secondary school. Look, that thing can affect someone. But anyway, I'm glad I started with her in JSS, in junior secondary school. So yeah, I'm reading this book called Broken. It's by Fatima Bala. I'm sure you know this book. If you're a ardent reader, if you love to read, you would have come across this book somehow. This book is so good. It's so good. I posted this on TikTok. TikTok site first, and someone commented. She's like, this book really frustrated her mental health, but it's worth it. Yes, the book is actually worth it. I don't have anything bad to say about this book, honestly speaking. I think I'm in chapter. Where did I even stop? I have a bookmark. I have a bookmark, but I removed it. I can't remember where I stopped to, but I will know when I'm more relaxed. I'll know. But I've gone far. I'm like in chapter 6 of this book. This book is so good. It's a tale of right now I've not reached the part where everybody's talking about, about the emotions here and there, blah blah. But according to the book, it is not a halal love story. I think halal is, I don't know what it means, but it's a Muslim thingy, sha, right? And I can relate so well to this book because it's an Abuja based book. The girl lived or used to live in Abuja, and then she went to Canada for her, is it master's or BSc, right? Because she's studying law, yeah, first degree, yeah, her first degree rather. So that's it. And then she met this cute guy who's a family friend. You know how this Muslim thing goes now. So the relationship and everything, if your family is close, automatically the guy has to be interested in the girl, or the family will try to hook you up together or something. But it's really interesting. I can relate. So when I was reading this book from the chapter 1, I saw myself in the book somehow in terms of upbringing. I also could place one or two friends in this story because I have some northern friends. I have a very close northern friend. Yeah. I could picture her in this, but she's not a Muslim. She's not a Muslim. In fact, her mom is even from Delta State. So all my other Muslim friends or Muslim people I have been around, because even from primary school, I grew up with Muslim friends. I currently have a Muslim friend. Yeah. And I could just picture them in this story, and also, the reason why I like this one is because the book is not so forced. I'm still in chapter 6 anyway, but like going like throughout the parts I've read did not look like the story is forced. It's fictional, right? There are some books you read and to be like, there's this too much tradition. The tradition is there. Muslim people have a very tight tradition, right? A very strict tradition, to just like Igbos and Yoruba, blah blah blah. But you can tell like they're not from the, I don't know, I don't want to use the word local, but these ones are more, they're Nepo babies. They are Nepo babies. Her father is a chief justice. The guy she likes, the father is an ambassador to Canada. I'll be ambassador to what in Canada. So like they are legit Nepo babies. Like even from the cars they drive, the kind of house they live in, the kind of schools they are even attending. Guys, I can't wait to be done with this book. Once I'm done with this book, I'm going to get another book. I found a bookshop and I'm so happy because I wanted to order this book from Bella Books. Sunshine Oloha. Yeah, soldiers. Repping. I'm a soldier. Her sister sells books. I didn't know that her sister was for Bella Books until, they moved to Lagos and, she said talking about Bella. So I went on their website. In fact, I selected like 5 different books I want to read. Then I found this one, but the book is sold out and they don't have it in the distributor's store here in Abuja. I was watching someone's channel on YouTube here and I found the book. Her name is Ochua. Is it Ochua? Yeah, she lives in Abuja too. So she just, not this book, she showed us where she went to pick up the book from. Like, okay. And I went there and guys, that bookshop is so cute. I posted it on my TikTok. Maybe I'll just put something here or I'll just post it as a YouTube short so you guys can see. I'm not really a fan of YouTube shorts. If you've noticed, it was back then when I was growing my channel, I used to like YouTube shorts, but for some reason, I just feel like I don't connect well with my audience here on YouTube when I post YouTube shorts. But maybe I'll post a YouTube shorts, I'll just put a video here. So I'll drop a link to their Instagram page in the description box. That makes a lot of sense. So yeah, That's it about this book. And guys, like, I'm in love, I'm happy, I'm trying to read again. My partner has been begging me, Kaka, you have to read. Oh, you have, why don't you like reading? So he's so happy, he's so surprised, he can't believe I actually used my money to buy a hardcover book. And I actually appreciate this one. I like the fact that the book is in my hands and I can read it. So yeah, that's it. And what else? I got this gigantic bag. I didn't know that this bag would be this big. I'll drop the Instagram page in the description, my description box. But this bag is really big. My two laptops can enter, like everything. My Bible, everything, my even my book that I'm reading. Can my water bottle enter? Let me see. Oh, this water bottle is really big. Can enter. Oh. So this is a travel size book. If I have to bend the bottle or keep it empty, it has to be empty. Sha. So this is a travel size bag. This bag is really big. I actually have one bigger than this, but that one is not made of this kind of material. It's like cloth. So in case I need to travel, in case I need to work outside or something, like everything can just enter here. I think my tripod, the one I'm using to hold my phone now, can enter. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go into liking the bag, even the eyeglass too. I am going to, I don't know, I'll get fond of them. I just feel like the bag is too big and it's not too stylish. It's just really minimal, right? It's a minimalist product. My only prayer is that, anyway, let us pray it lasts. This is what the inside looks like, and it has this strap, so you can also hang it. It has different storage inside. Oh, a lot of storage. Oh wow. Oh, it's a good bag, oh guys. I think it's a storage I'm impressed with. So you can just, do this. It has a zip here, it has another zip here. This bag is good for traveling, or if you have like a very busy day, you're gonna put everything inside. And it's okay. The texture is okay. Maybe it's just me. Then it has this outside storage. Okay. I forgot to mention I got this really cute what's it called? Curtain. Yes, from Ebano. Unfortunately, they don't allow you film in Ebano. Yeah, so this curtain is very cute. I almost ordered one from what's it called? Online from Temo and even Jumia. But the prices I saw there was not just giving. Plus the colors they had there, I didn't really like them. But this is super cute. I'm trying to place my mic. This is what it looks like. It came with this thing, but this is the old one. It came with this white thing, this circle, whatever, to hold it. But this is the old one, Sha. I had this one since. I just used it there. Let me know what you want to see on this channel, guys. I feel like we need to do something more. I don't know. I just feel like we need to connect more. If you have questions to ask me related to YouTube content creation, anything you feel be valuable to us on this channel, let me know, okay? And yeah, subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video. I still remain your favorite YouTuber. I'll see you in my next one. Stay fabulous and remain blessed. Bye, guys.